Welcome back to my channel and a new how-to video. With the release on iOS 15 of version 1.4.12 of the DJI Fly App, we are now able to live stream from our drones to social media. In this quick video, I will show you how you can live stream to YouTube from your DJI Mini 2, Air 2S and the other DJI drones which use the app. Firstly, log into your YouTube account and in the Studio section, click the Create icon followed by the Live option. This section shows you your relevant URL and streaming codes you will need to live stream from the DJI Fly app. Keep this window open. Now open the DJI Fly app. Connect your drone as normal. I'm using my Mini 2 for this example. When connected, click Go Fly. Then click the three dots at the top right hand corner of the screen and select the transmission section. Then select Live Streaming Platforms. This is the new part of the latest version. Click the RTMP icon. In the RTMP field, type or paste the stream ID from your YouTube page. Then add a slash. Now copy the stream key from your YouTube page and paste it after the slash. In this example, it would replace the word stream key, which I've typed just as an example of where it would go. Select the resolution and bitrate you require for your live stream, and when you're ready to start, click Start. The app will then count down from 3 and start the stream. While streaming, for more settings such as turning the iPad or iPhone microphone on or off, click the red circle icon at the top. When finished streaming, again click the red icon and then exit. Then finally confirm you want to end the live stream and you're done. The stream will then be shown on your YouTube Live and it will also be available in the live content section after it is finished. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.